Hi there friends and family from all around the world. I hope you're doing fine in these difficult times. Today we have a little bit of a different video. Well, we kind of came up with an idea to make you guys busy and do something creative while you are staying at home.
So this video is inspired by this amazing photographer Jordi Koalitic. I hope that I'm pronouncing his name correctly. But yeah, we're just trying to recreate some of his most famous ideas in our own style. So here it goes.
So we had a lot of fun making this, we had a really good laugh, and actually the outcome, I'm kind of proud of it.
It was a little bit better than I thought at first, actually.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna post each of these pictures on Instagram and also behind the scenes, so make sure that you follow Travellit Original on Instagram. So also make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click that ring button so you're notified when we release new videos. We encourage you to make these photos at home.
And if you guys make any of these pictures on your own time while being stuck, you know, please tag us, because we would love to see how you would create these images in the same way or in a different style. But yeah, you know, something creative.
Make something up. Come up with some new ideas. We want to see them, guys. Share them and have a beautiful time. We'll see you again soon in the next video. Bye. Ninja.